Hello, hello YouTube. So, today I am going to be playing Stake's new game. And before we get started, remember to hit that like button. Let's get into it. Okay. So, we gotta buy I guess we gotta buy this lucky block. Okay. Open. We're gonna be ore farming this. Okay. Well, who is you? Oh. Okay. Okay. See, I'm figuring this stuff out. Ooh. We'll move him around here. Alright. Sell for 200 now. Okay. Got myself some wood. What is that? 15 million. Can I go into that? 300 million. Okay. So let's lock my base. Alright. Remember, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. And remember to turn that post notification bell on. Let's continue. Is there a way I can upgrade him? Unequipped? Okay, no. Wish there was a way I could upgrade them. Alright. 5K, I'm at 10K, we need 10K. Wait, when does his base open? 93, oh, he's an aura former. He's an actual aura former. You can't use this while stunned. Why am I stunned? Okay. 2,000. Bro, I'm back. Imagine if I would have just sold this for 5K. Okay. Let's sell my gorilla over here. This is gonna launch me up a little bit. Okay, 9,000. Now I just need. Alright, we're at exactly at 10K. Alright. I could just sell it for 5K. Get more. Right. I'm gonna let that sit. Roll it. There we go. Oh, yeah, we're done now. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I'll give y'all an update. If I have anything better, I'll make another video. But please remember to like this video. Thank you.